Join me as I put my skills to the test and create the best cybersecurity content you've ever seen, all while sharing my top secrets. In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity is more important than ever, and creating effective content around it is crucial for spreading awareness and promoting online safety. That's why I'm excited to share with you the ultimate secrets to cybersecurity content creation success. The key to success in this field lies in a few strategic approaches that I'm about to reveal to you. By applying these secrets, you'll be able to create engaging, informative, and impactful content that resonates with your audience. One of the most important things to keep in mind when creating cybersecurity content is to focus on the human element. Instead of just listing technical jargon, try to tell stories that illustrate the real-life consequences of cyber attacks. For example, I've seen successful content creators use case studies to demonstrate how a particular vulnerability can be exploited and how it can affect individuals and businesses. Another tip is to make your content visually engaging by using infographics, videos, and animations to break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand bits. If you want to create content that stands out, try to find unique angles and perspectives that haven't been explored before. This could be as simple as focusing on a specific industry or demographic, or exploring the intersection of cybersecurity with other fields like artificial intelligence or blockchain. The key is to find a niche and own it, becoming the go-to authority in that particular area. Another important aspect of creating successful cybersecurity content is to stay up to date with the latest developments and trends. This means following industry leaders, attending conferences, and participating in online forums to stay informed about the latest threats and innovations. By doing so, you'll be able to create content that's relevant, timely, and informative, which will help you build trust and credibility with your audience. However, creating effective cybersecurity content isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is overcoming misinformation and disinformation. With the rise of fake news and propaganda, it's more important than ever to fact-check and verify the accuracy of your information. Another challenge is engaging your audience and encouraging them to take action. This requires a deep understanding of your target audience, including their pain points, motivations, and behaviors. But despite these challenges, there is one ultimate secret that can transform your approach to cybersecurity content creation. It's something that I've learned through years of experience and experimentation, and it's what sets successful creators apart from those who struggle to make an impact. Are you ready to hear it? It's the ability to empathize with your audience. When you take the time to understand your audience's fears, hopes, and motivations, you're able to create content that resonates with them on a deeper level. This means putting yourself in their shoes, imagining how they feel when faced with a particular cyber threat, and creating content that speaks directly to those emotions. It's not about listing technical details or throwing around jargon, it's about creating a sense of connection and community. By empathizing with your audience, you're able to create content that's more relatable, more engaging, and more impactful. You'll be able to build a loyal following of people who trust you and look to you for guidance and advice. And that's when the magic happens, when you're able to make a real difference in people's lives. So, to recap, the secrets to cybersecurity content creation success are focusing on the human element, making your content visually engaging, finding unique angles and perspectives, staying up to date with the latest developments, overcoming misinformation, and empathizing with your audience. By applying these secrets, you'll be able to create content that resonates, informs, and inspires. Remember, creating successful cybersecurity content takes time, effort, and practice, but the payoff is worth it. By following these secrets, you'll be able to make a real difference in people's lives, and that's what it's all about. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating. If you like this video, be sure to leave a comment below, subscribe for more insights, and check out our related videos on cybersecurity content creation. Let's keep the conversation going.